In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you already have an account, this tutorial will walk you through the exact login process on the web, so you can get back into your feed, messages, and notifications quickly and easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer or device. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the official X page by typing the X website address into the address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you are on the official site before entering any login details so you can keep your account safe. When the X login page loads, you'll see a field where you can enter your username, email, or phone number. Click inside that box and carefully type in the login information linked to your account. If you usually sign in with your email, enter that. If you use your phone number or username, you can enter that instead. After that, click Next to continue. X will then move you to the password step. On the next screen, type in your password into the password field. Make sure you enter it exactly as it was created, including any capital letters, numbers, or special characters. If you're on a shared device, double check that the password is correct before continuing. Once your password is entered, click Login. If your details are correct, you'll be signed into your X account and taken to your home feed. From there, you can browse posts, reply to people, check notifications, or continue where you left off. If you run into a problem, the most common issue is entering the wrong username, email, phone number, or password. So if login doesn't work the first time, take a moment to recheck your details and try again. You may also want to make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're using the official X website. And that's it. You've now learned how to log into X in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.